back to an all-new episode of KhanFlicks. Today we'll be looking at a brand new e-bike. This was sent over by ONEBOT. Now this year is currently funding right now, so if you guys want to learn more about them, check out the link down below in the description. Now this thing looks absolutely cool. It's got that two-tone. I've never seen anything like it. It's got the blue, pink, and so essentially a really compact sized bike that is fully foldable. Literally in a matter of seconds, just go ahead and pop this open. You can fold this down, and now you can go ahead and transport it for your own day-to-day needs. And when you clip it back in play, you can simply hop on and ride it. Now together we'll be unboxing it as well as trying it out and seeing exactly what it's all about. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so this here is our packaging. This here is the box. Let's open it up and see what's inside. All right, so this is it out of the box. So we do get a little packaging here, a user manual, as well as our wall charger. Some assembly is required, but doesn't seem too complicated. Let's go ahead and build this thing next and see what it looks like complete. So check it out. So this here is our ONEBOT, and definitely has a very futuristic vibe. I'm really digging the color combination, and it actually looks like a very portable e-bike. Now I have to say, at a first glance, it has a really sleek design, which I really like. I especially love this opening in the middle here. You do have your pedals that do fold in, so you can go ahead and store that, but they just simply pop up like that, and you can go ahead and ride it. Well, let's go ahead and take this thing outside next and try it out. All right, so we're finally outside on this beautiful day, and looking at this thing in the light is absolutely stunning. I really love the two-tone color, especially between the blue and the pink. It really does make it eye pop. And you can see that the battery will be housed right over here. This here's our charger port, so just go ahead and simply plug it in there. And the pedals will actually fold in, and you got these nice tiny sized tires with dual calipers for the front and the rear, as well as an LCD display here on the top. To turn it on, all you have to do is hold the power button here, and it'll go ahead and boot right up, and you're ready to go. And in terms of throttle goes, you just simply use this right here to make it move, and then you have a little horn, just like that. So let's go ahead and hop on this thing next and try it out. All right, let's go. All right, well there you guys have it. Overall, a really fun and easy to use bike. I'm a big fan of the fact that it's actually very nice, small, and compact. You can put it into just about any vehicle. Not only that, it is very lightweight, so simply carrying it about is literally of an ease. Now, if you are in the market for something that's a little bit more unique and more of a futuristic design style that is compact, this here is definitely for you. Other than that, if you had any questions, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.